Okay, so I'm recording this in one hand, holding the camera, and then on the phone I'm using the Wi-Fi connection. And that it what I did with that is told it to go to use the sensor, and then I'm gonna hit this icon. It turns on those lights and changes colors and leaves those green guys on, green LEDs. And this is how it can turn that way, this way. And we can go backwards, forward. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. And you can also turn clockwise. Then we can go sideways, so it's not completely go this direction, this direction, this direction. So you're gonna have some fun with this. Okay, I think I've kind of exhausted what it does. I mean, you can go forward, backwards, and use the detection mode, which would be this icon. It looks around and decides where to go. Okay, so that should do for now. Somebody asked me to make a little video, so at least you can see a little bit of it.